Hello, I'm Andrew Richardson, and I specialise in helping my clients quickly get over their depression. What I mean by this, that within a few weeks of coming to see me, they'll be more energised, they'll be sleeping better, they will be getting involved in the world again, perhaps their relationships will be obviously improving, and their self-confidence will be coming back. And this depression recovery program uses the same tools, the same methods, the same approach, the same principles that I use in my one-on-one therapy. This is what people say about their depression. And my guess is that for many of you, you will know what they are talking about. I don't know why I'm exhausted so much of the time. I'm fighting a war in my head every single day. I feel so alone and on my own. It does my head in. No, I can't just pull myself together. It's not just a phase or I'm having a bad day. It's a daily struggle, but I know it's not who I am. I need people to be patient and understanding, but not patronizing and harsh. I am bewildered and exhausted, which leaves me fearful and constantly worrying. I feel so stupid, and I'm letting everyone down. So, would you answer yes to these questions? Or do you know somebody who would? I am mentally and emotionally exhausted. I can barely drag myself out of bed in the morning. I have slept for ages, but in the morning I am not refreshed. My self-confidence is low and hope is disappearing. I feel I am a burden on my family, but know that I need something that they cannot give me. I feel trapped in my head, unable to escape thoughts, projections, and self-obsessions that I know are ridiculous. And if you answer yes to any of these questions, then this depression recovery program could be exactly what you need. And this is what you can expect. You can expect that hope returns, that your mind is released from bad memories that have long stayed with you. You can expect a clearer mind. Your self-confidence will be coming back, and you will again be enjoying your friends and family. You will have more energy and enjoying life, just feeling better. You will also learn more about yourself, what makes you tick and why. There are tools and audios you can use to relax, and finding what you need to get your life back on track. And how great would it be if some of those emotional and mental habits you no longer need could be cleared away? Yes, I'm serious. Now you can see that I'm very confident, but the question is, will it help you? And I can't guarantee that, of course. But what I can say is this, that my one-on-one therapy has a track record of great success. And second, I'm making use of the very latest scientific understandings of how the brain generates depression feelings. And it's all to do with dreaming. And this will be explained in the program. And finally, I'm not saying it's a quick fix. This program is comprehensive. And there is a recovery. And you don't have to rely on your GP, you don't have to rely on medication, you don't have to rely on special diets or on cognitive behavioural therapy. Now it could be that your question is even more painful than that. Perhaps you've tried medication, perhaps you're still on antidepressants. You've been to a cognitive behavioural therapist. You've read books on depression and have done your level best to follow the advice that they give. Perhaps you've been to forums, perhaps you've tried online advice. You've changed your diet, you've taken supplements, perhaps you've even meditated, but nothing has worked. And so your question is, how do I know that this program is worth trying? And of course that's a very good question. But I want you to think about this. if you go back to all that you have discovered about depression, you won't have found a very clear explanation that you can directly relate to of what it is and what causes it. People will hide behind jargon. It's a chemical imbalance, or it's a cognitive distortion, which simply means that you're not thinking straight, or it's a clinical issue, that you need to see a clinical expert, a psychiatrist, or it's about physical factors, about hormones and glands and diets, or maybe it's about the time of year, or even the time of month. On this program, you will get an understanding of what a depression is that will make complete sense to you. And from this understanding, you will get hope. And from this hope, you will see a program that will be spelled out about how you can recover. And you will take that program and you'll take that route to recovery. And your emotions will come under control. You'll be worrying less. Your head will become clearer. And you will be taking the steps you need to take to get your life working again. There are 5 suites of audios, as you can see. And you can listen to them when you are ready, and I hope listen to many of them more than once. And they will be deeply relaxing, and many use hypnotic methods, which are the best means to clear emotions and trauma and patterns that need to be cleared. And at an early stage, there are diagnostic tools for you to use, questionnaires for you to fill in, so that you can see what may be driving your depression and how you should proceed on the road to recovery. The program recognizes that we all have different origins to our depression. I think this program is comprehensive and flexible and will meet the needs of most lost in depression. I also think it's pretty well unique. So look at the program and see what help it can give you. Thank you.